the following passage carefully and answer the question that follow. This is a paragraph from Village by the Sea written by Anita Desai. A little later, when he went to the pump to wash, he saw the school children pouring by with their satchels across their shoulder. When he went to pump when he went to wash, he saw a school children uh, hanging their bags on their shoulder. He saw students with bags on their shoulder. They all wore the same clothes, grey shorts, skirts and light blue shirts or blouses. They were students and they were wearing uniform. The color of the uniform is grey short skirt and light blue shirt or blouse, faded and mended, and they all had their hair oiled and combed down very flat. They are neatly and tidily dressed up. Their hair were oiled and combed. Some went by in laughing, racing groups. Others had to be led by their mothers or grandparents to the school buildings. This reminded him of his sister in the village. Some students are going by laughing and racing, and there are some students whose grandparents or parent they drop them to the school building. Seeing all this, he recalled of his sister that was in the village. The boys in the kitchen now looked at him with less hostility. Jagu seemed pleased with Harry too. Jagu was pleased with Harry and sometimes handed him a glass of tea in the middle of the day. He provides a glass of tea in the middle in afternoon. When he had a few moments to spare, when he had some extra time, some free time, Jagu sat down at one of the long wooden tables, drummed loudly on it and sang a song in a dialect Harry did not know. He sang a song in an unknown language. When he caught Harry listening and smiling, he smiled back. Then Harry knew that he too had a village somewhere that he called home. By listening his song, Harry came to know that he belonged to a village. It was just that he was a silent, hard-working, worried man and had no time and no gift for speech. He was a hard-working and silent. He was quiet. He was not very talkative. Yeah. It was the watch mender, Mr. Panwala, who was truly a benefactor, the kindest and most helpful of all. One afternoon, during those hot, still hours when there were no customer for a change, it was Panwala who introduced a kind person, a watch mender. Harry was standing in front of the eating house, idly watching the traffic because he was too tired to do anything else. Once Harry was very tired. He was standing in front of the door. Panwala called him and sit beside him and in the counter of a shop. Want to help? He asked. Do you want help? Want to learn how to make a clock tick? Do you want to learn how to fix clock? How to repair a clock? I am just going to open this big grandfather clock sent me for repair. You will be able to see the working planes. Don't often get a piece like this anymore. Wall clock, yes, an electronic gadget. This is an electronic gadget. This is a wall clock, and I have to repair it, but you don't often come upon a grandfather clock like this. It's real piece of luck being able to show you on this size. Look, he said, swinging open the door at the back and revealing the machinery to a fascinated Harry, who felt as if the door had opened into a new strange house. Harry was very shocked that he is offering a job. He wants him to learn to repair watch. Mr. Panwala showed Harry what was wrong with it, what had made it stop. Interesting, isn't it? How would you like to learn? The watch is not working, and Panwala told all about this. Is it interesting for him? He asked. How will he prefer to learn? Tell you what, I will take you on as an apprentice. You don't have much to do between 2 and 4, do you? He said that you are free. You used to be free between 2 and 4. These 2 hours you learn this thing. You come and help in repairing this watch, and perhaps I can make a watch mender of you. For each word given below, choose the correct meaning as used in the passage from the option provided. Satchels. Satchels is given in line 2 in this paragraph. The meaning of satchel is school bags. Okay, the correct option is school bag. Spare. Extra. Which word in the passage is the opposite of closed? Opened. Answer the following question briefly in your own words. How were the school children dressed? Answer is, the school children were dressed in grey shorts or skirts and light blue shirts or blouses. They all had their hair oiled and combed down very flat. Next question is, in what way was Jagu kind to Harry? Jagu was kind to Harry by offering him a job and a place to stay in Mumbai. He occasionally gave tea to him. He introduced Jagu to Panwala, who mentors had in trade. Jagu also shows kindness by allowing Hari to send money home to his family. Next question is, what did the long tell Hari about Jagu? What did the song tell Hari about Jagu? The song sung by Jagu revealed to Hari that he is quiet and hardworking nature. He also had at home and a village he belonged to, just like Hari. Which sentence in the passage tells us that Jagu was not a talkative man? The sentence that tells Jagu was not a talkative man is, Jagu was a man of few words or had no time and no gift for speech. Why were there no customers at Jagu at that time of the day? There were no customers at that time of the day because it was early morning when most people were still at their homes. In not more than 50 words, describe how Mr. Panwala introduced Harry to watch mending. Mr. Panwala introduced Harry to the art of mending by demonstrating his skill to explaining the importance of repairing items or things. He emphasized the importance of craftsmanship and the satisfaction got from fixing the things.